we wanted a space that reflected more of the culture that we were trying to build, as well as a space that strengthens our people, inspires our people, and a space that reflects our journey fully in the legal world. Hi everyone, my name is Ikeja. I'm the principal partner of Strichland Law Practice. As a law firm, we had some peculiarities. We had to fully consider confidentiality with respect to our clients, and DHK took that message and properly reflected it in the spaces that we have in the office right now. Most favorite space in the office, for me, it's the nursing room, because I have a personal story and a personal connection with that room. Each room tells a story. Our library is fully curved from start to finish, telling a story of unending learning. The workstation area also represents the bouncing of ideas. You can see it in the triangular shape wafer ceilings that they have put in place. It's just an absolutely amazing space for us. So I would say, wonderful work, DHK. And thank you for everything that you have done. We absolutely love our space. We cannot wait to have you on and welcome everyone to this beautiful space. Thank you everyone for everything.